Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited. Power BI classes with real-time interview questions and answers. Class 1. What is Power BI and its main components?
In this class, we are going to discuss about what is Power BI and its main components and the difference between Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service and Power BI Mobile. Coming to what is Power BI and its main components, Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft that allows users to connect to various data sources, transform and clean the data, visualize the data using interactive charts and dashboards, and share insights across organizations. It is used for turning raw data into meaningful business insights. Main components of Power BI are Power BI Desktop. It is a free Windows application for creating reports and data models. Power BI Service. It is a cloud-based platform to share, view and collaborate on reports and dashboards. And coming to Power BI Mobile, it is a mobile app which is for iOS and Android to access reports and dashboards on the go. And Power BI Gateway. Power BI Gateways connects on-premises data sources to Power BI Service for automatic data refreshes. Power BI Report Server is an on-premise report server for deploying and managing reports in organizations that don't use the cloud servers. Coming to Power BI Embedded, a service for developers to embed Power BI visuals and reports into custom apps or websites. These are the different components which are in Power BI tool. And coming to the difference between Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service and Power BI Mobile. We have different features for that. Let's start with the platform. For Power BI Desktop, Windows application is a platform, whereas for Power BI Service, it is a web-based or a cloud-based platform. Coming to the Power BI Mobile, it is a mobile app for iOS and Android. And the purpose of Power BI Desktop is to create and design data models and reports, and Power BI Service to share, collaborate and monitor reports and dashboards. Power BI Mobile is to view and interact with the reports on mobile devices. Can build reports by using Power BI Desktop? Yes, we can do. We can create or build report by using Power BI Desktop. But by using Power BI Service, it is not possible. And even with Power BI Mobile also, we can't build reports. Can share content? We cannot share content in Power BI Desktop. We can share content in Power BI like Power BI Service and Power BI Mobile. Coming to the next feature, that can schedule refresh in Power BI Desktop. No, we can't schedule the refreshes in Power BI Desktop. We can do the same in Power BI Service and Power BI Mobile. And Power BI Desktop, it is best used for data analysts and report developers, whereas coming to the Power BI Service, it is used by business users, managers and teams. And Power BI Mobile uses executives, field workers and mobile users to have the mobile view of the reports which are created by using Power BI Desktop. Coming to the summary of these things, Power BI Desktop builds reports, Power BI Service share and manage reports, Power BI Mobile access reports on the go on mobile, whether it is Android or iOS. Let's see these things practically in Power BI Desktop by creating a simple report. We are in Power BI Desktop. Here I have created a sample report, that is GKey sales report. It is having different visualizations here, and it is having a title called GKey IT sales report. This is a Power BI Desktop environment. Here we can create different types of reports. Here there are two types of options available. First one, this one is a report view, and this one is a mobile view. Here whatever we have created the report with the visuals, that we can compact for the mobile view. Here we have compacted the visuals like this. GKey IT sales is a heading, and these are the different visualizations and these are different cards that we are using. In this way, In the mobile, if you open this report, it is going to be visual in this format. But if you see this report in the web server or something, it is going to be seen like this. Now we have developed this report by using Power BI desktop, both the ways for web servers and for mobile users. We are going to deploy this report into Power BI service just by using publish. Here we are publishing into my workspace. I have published this report already, and with small changes we are publishing the same report again. That means we are replacing the report in the Power BI desktop. Now we are in Power BI service. This is called Power BI service app.powerbi.com. This is a Power BI service. Whatever the reports we have developed by using Power BI desktop, we can deploy them in web server. This is called a cloud server. Once we deploy the report into the cloud server, they'll come like this here. This is the report and this is the data set. Whatever the sources that we have used, and by using data query we have cleaned the data, all the things have been created as a data set in the Power BI desktop. The same data set that we can call here as a semantic model in Power BI service. Here is the report that we have created in Power BI desktop, and the semantic model or data set which is used to create the report, and these two are deployed into Power BI service, which is a cloud service for Power BI. This is Power BI service environment, and this is Power BI desktop. For the report, this is a Power BI mobile view. To see this mobile view in the Power BI service, you have to download the Power BI for mobile app. This from website also you can click on this thing and you can download, and you can visualize this report in a mobile view. Now we are in web. If you want to see the report, you can see the report here. From here we can share this report to the different users in your organization with their access. In this way, the reports are shared among different users in your organization from Power BI report server. And by using Power BI desktop, we can create different types of reports by using different visuals which are available by using different sources to connect. And this is the mobile view that we can create for the mobile users to see the report in the mobile view. This is about Power BI service, Power BI desktop and Power BI mobile, and different components in Power BI application. Thank you. Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.